the Scalp Detox Queen here, Judy the Healthy Hair Speaker, and I just wanted to show you how to clean your brushes and combs. As a reminder, bacteria likes to sit on dirty things. So if you don't do this at least once a month, you are spreading bacteria, okay? So first of all, we're removing all dirt, debris, hair that's been sitting on these combs and brushes. Bacteria loves dirty things, so remember that. You want to do this at least once a month, okay? After we do that, we're going to now go in with some warm water and antibacterial soap. I like to use Dawn, and you can use anyone, but you want to make sure you use antibacterial soap. Let it sit for a few minutes as you scrub every area of the brush or comb, every nook and cranny. Next thing you're gonna do after you scrub each and every one of these things, just like that, get it, girl. Now you're going to soak it in ship shape, which removes buildup. 10 minutes, rinse it off. Now we're gonna go with Barbicide. It's antifungal, it kills bacteria, and also to let it soak for 10 minutes, just like that. Rinse it off, let it air dry, and then your brushes will be good to use. And we stop the spread. Follow me for more tips.